All right, I am at Liza Fox's listing. It's listed for $600,000. It is a split level, 4-bed, 3-bath. Lot size is over 12,000 square feet. So this is one where you can have those goats if you would like. And right when you walk in, option to go up and down. We'll go up first. Takes you right into this really open kitchen. Beautifully staged, move-in ready. Wood burning fireplace. Gotta love that. The yard is the showstopper. There is a protected green belt in the backyard. It's your first full bathroom. And then you've got bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, primary bedroom, bedroom number 3 with just the toilet, no shower. And then we'll go downstairs before going outside. Check this. Attached garage. We won't go in there, but here is bedroom number 4. Gigantic laundry room. I can imagine shelves in here with all of your canning supplies. Your other bathroom does need an extra light in here, a little dark. Hey guys. And then big bonus extra kind of basement-y feel. I think this would be perfect if you had like a roommate situation, mother-in-law situation. But here's that gigantic backyard that I was talking about. Already has a garden set up. They've got multiple sitting areas. I'll take you back up onto the deck on the way back up, but they've got that pool situation they've got going on. Lots of room, big play set. And that's that green belt that I said is completely protected, so you'll never have anyone behind you. They've already got grapes growing, and these garden beds are already waiting for you. Let me take you up onto that deck. And if you guys are interested in touring this, reach out. I would love to help. Summit Waller area is one of the better areas in my opinion, especially if you're wanting to do that urban homesteading. Right here is that covered deck.